Hi, I'm Corey, the economics editor of Chards, coin and Bullion dealer. And I'm Adam, the numismatic editor. Now ourselves and the marketing team have spent quite a lot of our morning getting out this silver for you guys to have a look at. We've gone through YouTube, a few different silver stacking videos, and the best effort we could find was 6,000 ounces. We've gone just a little bit above that at 25,000 ounces of silver. Now Corey's going to run through what that comprises.
So let's take a closer look at this silver stack. Stay tuned to the end of the video and we will reveal how much this is all worth.
So to start things off, here we have the 2015 1 ounce silver goat coin. Now this was released by the Perth Mint as a part of their Lunar series. Traditionally the goat is 8th in the Chinese lunar calendar and represents harmony and growth. Now the 1 ounce variant of these coins is a limited mintage of only 300,000 coins, with the reverse showing a family of goats beside the Chinese character for the animal.
This is a 10 ounce silver cricket coin from the Perth Mint in Western Australia. They were first released in 1990 and feature a unique design every year. This makes them popular with collectors and investors alike.
Another entry into the Perth Mint's successful Lunar series, the 2013 Year of the Snake 1 kilogram silver coin holds a face value of 30 Australian dollars. The reverse of the coin shows a snake coiled around a branch alongside the Chinese character for snake. The coin is struck in 0.999 silver and has a maximum mintage of 32,355 coins.
This Perth Mint Lunar Year of the Dragon coin was issued in 2000 and contains 32.15 troy ounces of silver. The dragon is the 5th animal in the Chinese zodiac, and people born in this date are known as great leaders due to their knowledge, power and capability.
And here we have the 2012 Diamond Jubilee 1 kilogram silver proof coin. Of course, this piece celebrates the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II, and the 1 kilogram coin comprises 999 silver and has a maximum mintage of 600 coins. The reverse shows the St Edward's crown surrounded by 60 diamond motifs, one for every year of Queen Elizabeth's rule.
We are now going over the biggest contribution to our silver stack, the 2020 Silver Britannia coin. The Royal Mint first issued Silver Britannias in 1997 and they were originally struck in 0.958 Britannia silver. However, since 2013 they are now issued in 0.999 silver. There are over 17,000 Silver Britannias in this stack alone.
Here we have a selection of silver bars. Now, whilst individually they aren't perhaps the most striking of pieces, the Pam Suisse bar features a beautiful design of the company's logo, and all of these bars are issued by LBMA approved refiners, guaranteeing their authenticity. And now onto the 2008 1 ounce silver maple. Unlike most maple coins, this piece commemorates the 2010 Vancouver Olympic Games. The reverse maintains the classic maple design, with the Olympic rings and symbol of the Vancouver Winter Olympics appearing to the left of the leaf. From 2008 to 2010, the Mint also issued 15 different 25-cent coins, each depicting a different event on the reverse.
This is a 1 ounce silver oil coin from the island nation of Niue. Niue issues silver coins in association with New Zealand Mint. It is a small island in the Pacific Ocean with a population of 1,600 and is known for producing collectible bullion coins such as these owls, turtles and even commemorating such film series like Batman and Back to the Future.
Released by the Canadian Mint as part of their Birds of Prey series, the 1 ounce Great Horned Owl has a maximum mintage of 1 million coins and a face value of 5 Canadian dollars, whilst being struck in a fineness of 9999 silver.
And now we are looking at one of the most recognisable silver coins in the world, the United States Silver Eagle. Like previous designs, this 2018 edition depicts a majestic eagle on the reverse with the classic American icon Lady Liberty on the obverse.
And here is the 100 gram Johnson Matthey silver bar, 100 grams or 3.21 troy ounces of 999 silver. Johnson Matthey's phenomenal reputation as a refiner of precious metals can be traced back to 1817, with these particular bars being an interesting collectible for precious metal enthusiasts.
Continuing on with the trend of commemorative bullion coins, these 1 ounce silver coins from the island nation of Tuvalu celebrate the 50th anniversary of the release of the first Star Trek series. They've proven to be very popular with both coin collectors and Star Trek fans.
Here we have the 1 kilogram silver metal bar. The Switzerland refinery has a fantastic reputation for producing quality bullion products, which has been maintained over the past 160 years. The LBMA approved refiner is also featured on the Good Delivery bar list and have gone on to produce this 1 kilogram or 32.15 troy ounce bar comprising 999 silver.
These particular coins are probably better known as gold bullion coins, but since 2018, Krugerrands also come in silver. These silver Krugerrands were issued in 2019 and have a face value of 1 South African rand. They are struck in 0.999 silver and contain 1 troy ounce of the precious metal.
We have another maple here, this time the 2018 1 ounce silver variant, first produced by the Canadian Mint back in 1988 following the success of the gold maple coin. The silver variants comprise 9999 silver and hold a face value of 5 Canadian dollars. The reverse design features the maple design we have all come to know.
This is another commemorative coin from the island nation of Niue. This 2017 silver 1 ounce coin features a fantastic image of Mickey Mouse, recreating a scene from the 1928 cartoon Steamboat Willie. This particular coin has a limited mintage of just 250,000.
Yet another maple, this 1 ounce silver coin was produced in 2012 by the Canadian Mint. This maple has a mintage of over 18 million coins, all struck in 9999 silver. Again, the reverse shows the maple leaf that is synonymous with the nation and this piece of bullion.
The Republic of Armenia first issued silver bullion coins in 2011. The style chosen by the Armenian Central Bank is the famous biblical story of Noah's Ark, which is shown on the obverse, with the coat of arms of Armenia on the reverse. These coins are similar to silver Britannias, silver maples, and silver eagles, in that they form a bullion style investment for silver.
First of the 4 entries into the Canadian Mint Predator series, the 2016 1 ounce Cougar has a face value of 5 Canadian dollars, with a maximum mintage of 1 million coins. And just like the maple, this bullion coin is also struck in 9999 silver.
Now this silver bar doesn't really give us much to go by. We have no information on the refiner or the country of origin. All it is just 32.15 troy ounces of cast silver in 0.999 fineness. Perfect for investment, but not terribly imaginative. We at Chards check all our silver bullion products using X-ray diffraction to prove their authenticity.
And here we have the 10 ounce Cortez round produced by the Johnson Matthey refiners. This round was issued to employees of the Cortez mine for achieving perfect attendance as shown on the coin's reverse.
Going back to the famous Perth Mint Lunar series now, these Year of the Monkey coins were issued in 2016 and have a limited mintage of 300,000 coins. People born on the Year of the Monkey Chinese zodiac are said to be intelligent, ambitious and adventurous. However, they can have a mischievous side.
Another entry from the Perth Mint's Lunar series, the 2017 1 ounce silver rooster is struck in 9999 silver with a mintage of 300,000 coins. The reverse shows a family with their chicks aside the Chinese character for rooster, with those born under this year being said to be loyal, sociable and honest. There we have it, 25,000 ounces of silver. Now we have seen these coins and bars produced from different refineries and mints, and they all have very nice, unique designs. But the one thing that we haven't gone over is the total value of all of this silver. Now as mentioned, we've gone and stacked 25,000 ounces of silver in this video, and the current price of silver at the time of recording is £13.90 per ounce. And with that in mind, we've worked out this massive silver stack to be worth approximately £350,000.
We'd like to thank you for watching our silver stack video. We've enjoyed producing it for you. Let us know your feedback in the comments section. If you want to see a global one, we'll be happy to do one. So make sure you let us know. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for next time.
And there we go. Be sure to let us know if that was the biggest silver stack you've ever seen, or let us know the favourite pieces from our stack in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the Chards channel and stay up to date with our releases by hitting the notification bell or by following our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages.